Hello guys, today I will be unboxing and assembling and testing the KAIWEETS soldering station, the KOT936 model. So as you can see, you get a manual with it. You get a soldering iron. The soldering iron has a safety tip on it, and you need to then plug it the other side in. You get also some other type of tips that you can use for various works like DIY projects or professional work as well. You can repair printed circuit boards, as I will show you later on, or just do fun projects like I will do. You also get some soldering wire, lead-free. This is basically the soldering station that you need to plug in and also connect with the soldering iron. You have an adjustable knob here where you can adjust the temperature gauge. You also get a magnifying glass, which comes in sometimes really handy. You also get some adjustable goosenecks. As you can see, they're adjustable with some alligator clips. Yeah, they have also some safety tips on it, so you don't ruin your printed circuit boards or stuff like that. But these come in really handy because these are like a second pair of hands, so you don't need to hold the printed circuit boards or the wires or what you are repairing. So these are really handy. This is the workbench. Basically you mount all the stuff on this. This is very versatile. You can mount it separately or under the soldering station. And these are the screws that come with it. This is the sponge, the cleaning sponge, where you can clean your soldering iron tip. And this is basically just a stand where you hang your soldering iron. Yeah. So now I will do a quick video, maybe fast forward everything on how do I assemble everything, and then we'll do a nice little test on it. So let's get to it. If you don't mind, I will be fast forwarding everything so it doesn't seem so boring for you. So and that's it. Now let's go on and test it. So as I promised, I will be doing a demonstration with this soldering station. Rather fun one, or at least for me. This is like a fun project for me. I ordered basically a kit, a practice kit for soldering, where at the end we will be making a watch that actually I think it has radio as well. I didn't read all the specifications, but you can find these kits on Amazon, and they are really fun projects to start with. So and I thought it would be really awesome to try this way the soldering station out. As you can see, I got my laptop over there with pictures on how to assemble everything step by step. You get that in the kit. You just need to scan it and you will get a PDF file. I've got makeshift tray here with all the components that I need to mount on the printed circuit board, what I have here. Here we have the station, the soldering station and the soldering iron. I set up everything. So what you would maybe need, I don't really want to bother with it, but yeah, you maybe need some gloves, or these are normal nitrate gloves that you can find on Amazon, or basic ESD gloves like these. These are also findable on Amazon, but I'm not really going to bother with this project with ESD gloves because it doesn't worth that much to me. It's just a practice test. But I'm going to wear nitrate gloves because I don't want to put sweat on the printed circuit board. So yeah, I'm gonna do now the whole assembly, fast forward, so I don't bore you with it, and we'll stop again when I'm finished to show you the final product. So I'm back with the final product. Unfortunately, I didn't do such a great job. I did some mistakes. Yeah, but it was a fun project. I didn't go all the way and put it in the case and make like a real clock of it. But I just wanted to show you that it can be done. This is a really good soldering station, and now I can show you the final product. So it works. As you can see, it works. The buttons work, so it can be done.